So first part is about stop codes. And there are two parts I want to show today. First part is a somewhat new feature in MUR. It's the tree structure. It's been available for some time, but only a few have been using it. I'm going to show you how that works. So on this screen, on the left hand, we have the system stop codes page. This is where we add and modify stop codes. And on the right side, we have MUR terminal that the operator sees. And as you see here on the operator list of stop codes for the terminal, some stop codes are slightly pushed to the right. They are, I would say, put below another stop code, which means, for example, maintenance stop code 10 has two sub-stop codes, unplanned and planned maintenance. Which means if you have a large number of stop codes and you don't remember exactly what stop code you're looking for, if you know the main group 10, if you press 10, you get maintenance to the top and all stop codes below there. So it should be easy for the operator to look for a specific stop code if they don't remember exactly what to use. And to do this, we can take a look here at unplanned maintenance. When we add it, it has an option that's called place under. So this stop code 11 is placed under 10, which we can see here that 11 is placed under 10. If I remove this one and choose none instead, you can now see that stop code 11 is placed outside and not under 10 in terms of the tree structure. And when I click save, the changes updates on the terminal. So to put it back, I edit the stop code, choose which stop code to place it under, and save. And this can be done in several steps. For example, if I want to place repairs under maintenance, I can edit repairs, choose to put it under maintenance, and save. And now you see waiting for repairs is still on one step deeper below repairs. And the second part for stop codes are machine groups, and I'm showing it here on two screenshots from the terminal. On the left hand side, we have selected the first machine where we have a list of stop codes, and to the right we have the second machine selected, which has another set of stop codes. This allows you to select, have only those stop codes relevant for each machine visible to the operator. It also prevents the operator from entering any stop codes that are not enabled for that machine. We can see it live here. When I switch back and forth between the first and second machine, the list of stop code changes. And for example, here we have missing material, which we don't have enabled on this machine, which means if I press stop code 2, enter, it will not allow me to enter that stop code. And to enable this feature, I'm going to maximize this same window where we added stop codes. And here we have three other tables. We have machines, we have groups, and we have group settings. So if we start at the last table with group settings, here you can see the missing material is not checked here, meaning it's not enabled for this group 0, which is called default. On the left, I can choose another group, and I can see how the settings change. And I can also enable one more stop code like this, and it will be available afterwards. And these groups can then be assigned to each machine, which is done on the top right table. Here we have our machines, and we can select which of the groups each machine should belong to. And once I click save, all changes here are applied to the system. What is the purpose of the tree structure for the stop codes? And today the main purpose is to have a visual presentation, and it's also about finding stop codes. Right now you have a very small list of stop codes, so it's no problem finding them. But let's say someone has 10 groups and 10 stop codes at each group. Then it will be a very long list, and then you can quickly jump to one of the group, for example maintenance, by entering stop code 10 for maintenance. Then the maintenance will jump to the top where you can see the others. So right now it's for discoverability, to make it easier to find among lots of stop codes. But the other question about can it be used in reporting? Not right now, but that's certainly something we can add as a feature afterwards. So if you have been reporting and configured stop codes like this, in the future we might add an option to select generate report only on the main stop codes, and all stop codes below there are summarized into the main stop code. That's something that definitely will come. Good difference between the web version and the MUR client. On the right we have the classical MUR client, on the left we have the web option. And the difference here is that to the right you see the tree structure, but to the left you don't see the tree structure, and you don't see the maintenance sub options. But once you click maintenance, then you're presented with the options only below maintenance, which makes it few clicks you can find the stop code you're looking for. And if I reload the page, it will also show maintenance. I can choose repairs and waiting for repairs to find it like that.